Hi all, welcome back to Foodie Zest. Today's recipe is garlic mushroom. Let's check the ingredients. We need around 230 to 250 grams of button mushrooms. I have cut them into halves. Then we need one small sized onion finely chopped. Then we need 10 to 15 garlic cloves, some fresh coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, quarter teaspoon of freshly ground pepper and salt as needed. Here I have finely chopped the coriander leaves and the garlic cloves. If you want, you can also grate the garlic cloves instead of chopping them. Let's get started. Heat a pan and add the butter. Add around 1 tablespoon of oil. If you don't add oil, the butter might burn. Melt the butter. Once it melts, let's add the chopped onions and saute them until they become transparent. Whenever you are making garlic mushroom, use butter because the onions and garlics fried in butter gives a nice aroma and flavor to the dish. So once it's done, let's add the mushrooms. Saute them for 2 minutes on medium to high. After 2 minutes, put the flame on medium and saute the mushrooms and onions for about 5 minutes or until they slightly change color. Now you can see the onions have also caramelized. Keep stirring in between so that all the mushrooms will be cooked well. After 5 minutes of sauteing the mushrooms, let's add the chopped garlic. Saute them well. And now let's add around 1 tablespoon of vinegar, that is the white vinegar. Give it a mix. Add some salt and freshly ground pepper. Saute them until the mushrooms slightly shrinks and the color changes to brown. Now let's add the chili flakes. Saute for a minute and then add the coriander leaves. Fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now after 3 to 4 minutes, switch off the flame. Now you can see the mushroom has turned brown. Let's transfer it into a serving plate. Our yummylicious buttery garlic mushroom is ready. You can serve it as a starter or even as a side dish for rice or any Indian breads. Please try this recipe and impress your loved ones. Share your feedbacks and comments in the comment section below. And do not forget to press bell icon for getting notifications. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Foodie Zest, and let's meet again with a new interesting recipe video.